Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you all how to make beautiful flower with scale and two colors of wool. Wrap around on the scale the first color of wool for 15 times. Tie to secure the down part of the wool on the scale. Attach the second color of the wool and use that to do a little embroidery at the upper side of the woolen design on the scale. When you are done with one piece, make them 5 pieces and join them together to make a beautiful woolen flower. Attach a medium-sized bead right at the middle of the flower to make it even more beautiful. I hope you all will find the tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.